See if this one stays on. I don't think so. That's another nice fish. There he is. Wow, that's a nice one. That's a nice starboard one. Wow. That's a nice one. Let's get him in. Wow. Something nice, guys. Ooh, that's a nice bass. Oh, it's something bigger. Oh, yeah. Really nice. That's another nice, almost same size. That's nice. I don't know how good he's hooked. Wow. 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 That's a really nice fish. That's almost like the same fish I caught. Let me get out here, guys. That's a nice one. There you go, guys. Nice one here. Oh, like that, almost 3-pounders. Another one. I don't know if he's going to stay on. Another nice fish. Oh, nice fish too. Look at that, guys. Let me get one and get out here. Windy, kind of, it's warm out. Water's still kind of chilly. Yeah, that's a nice one there. Really nice fish. Oh, there he goes. This is the spot here, guys. There we go. Wow. Oh, nice bass. Nice. I caught my quota. 5 fish. I just want to see what it is. Well, it's a big perch. Really nice perch. That's a nice perch, guys. Look at that. It's a good keeper. We're not keeping anything, but there you go. Nice. Nice. Now we got a bass. And this thing hit just like the perch. Touched him. No, he's about the same size as the other one, but wow. Oh, really nice fish. Really nice fish. Get him back in, guys. Nice. Come on, stay on. There we go. There we go. That's like the smallest one of the day, and that's a really nice bass. There you go. Nice. I'm glad I caught one before the day ended. Guys, another nice perch. Wow. Yeah, he's really nice. This is a really nice perch. Nice keeper. Nice. Another big perch, guys. I just lost something huge too. That's why you see me use a different rod. My knot broke. That's a big perch. Yeah, I'm using different lure, different rod, because this might be the last fish, by the way. And something broke me off. I kind of looks like a clean break now. Well, that might have been a pike. Last bass, guys, if I land them. Ooh, that's a nice one too. Yes, yes, yes. That's a nice one. Yes. Look at this. Dink. Oh, not dink. Oh, oh. Alright, guys. Nice. Small finesse lures is what's killing it for these fish. So, well, guys, this might be the last fish today. Oh my God, he was nicer than I thought. Oh, he's barely hooked. Oh wow, really nice fish. The end of the day off. There we go. Put my spot. Okay, guys, getting dark now. First day on the home lake with the kayak. First day bass fishing the home lake. Really good day. At first, it was really slow. I fished the whole lake. Nothing. I'm like, oh my God. Then I went back to the corner. I did really, really well. Caught some really nice fish. I lost some nice fish, but I can't complain about today. I caught one right from our property. So really nice one too. So really great day. I'm gonna continue this off. I'm gonna come back here. I don't know when we'll come back here, but so come back here and hopefully I can catch some more bass, hopefully a walleye, and hopefully a big pike. What is going on, guys? Back here at the home lake with my buddy. This ain't my dog, by the way. Fishing here once again. Past day's been pretty good, so hopefully again it's a beautiful day. I mean, sunny. I mean, you can't really beat the day. So I don't see anything up shallow yet, but I've been getting bass shallow though. But I'm gonna try and see how good I'll do. I want to say pretty decent, but there's days where I think I do really good and I end up not doing good at all. But I'm gonna try, take the kayak out in the back of the truck. I'm gonna get it off, and yeah, we'll try again. I'll try and shore first, take a cast from here, then I'll go in the kayak. But I would think probably my first fish would probably be in the kayak, but I never know. So try and land first. If not, I'll probably get one in the kayak. What are you doing? First fish hooked in the kayak. Hook of the day. That's a nice one there. Look at that. Ooh, that's a nice one there. Really, really nice fish. Got one. Oh, ooh, yes, 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 yes. Nice fish, hooked perfectly. All right, guys, let's get him back in. Get the other one back. Wow. You heard the camera come on and you want to put on a performance. You wanted to jump again, but I stopped. Another nice size fish, another nice 15-incher, easy. Oh, that's another nice fish. Nice, number 4, that's a fatty. All nice size fish. Fat ones, that's how you want to get them. Probably has eggs too, but. Well, guys, whoa, he came right at me. Yes, that's a little smaller one. For other lakes is average. Like a state lake. There we go. Nice one. I said this was a good cast. And I was right. Whoa. Ooh, yes, that's a nice one. That is a goodie. Really nice fish. Right by that bush. Cast for cover, guys. These fish like they hang out by cover, especially when making eggs. Well, spawning. You hit it like a freight train, though. Man, the air is just engulfing it. Another nice chunky one right off that dock. It's like casting a structure. Not everything, but not every structure, guys, has a fish. Believe me. But always cast by docks, brush piles, bushes on the shoreline, especially when they're about to spawn. And these fish love to come at you. Might be one of the last fish if I get them. Wow. There we go. Nice. Nice. Oh, another one, guys. Oh. Wow, he's barely hooked. That's a nice one there. Number 9. Over my quota. Nice. Wow, this fish got a lot bigger. Number 10. There you go. Probably last fish of the day. Nice fish to end the day off. Come on. There he goes. Alright, guys, that is it so far. Another really, really good day at the home lake, guys. This lake's been satisfying me this year, honestly. We had a fish kill here in 2024, and last year really wasn't a great year. If you guys keep up to date with my channel, fishing really hasn't been great here last season, 2025. But this year's been honestly not bad. Some nicer sized bass. I'm not getting a variety of species. Like I like to get some more northerns and more walleye. Walleye haven't been stocked here in a long time, and they only did like 200 or something terrible like that. But so every year it's for walleye, it's more rare, and they don't spawn in here. But I got broken up by 2 northerns in here. But really, that's it with species diversity. I caught one day. I caught some nice perch here, but really diversity-wise, not great. But bass-wise, it's honestly been really, really good. Like I caught some nice-sized bass from here. Honestly, bigger than last year. So I'm gonna come back here and hopefully do just as good. Come right up to me. There we go. Nice, nice, nice. Nice first fish. I'm gonna say this fish might come off. I didn't hook him that great. There we go. I got him. A nice keeper. Not a bad one. There we go. Look at that. Perfect. Ooh, ooh, wow. Nice. Nice. Ooh. It's a nice one. Not a bad keeper. This bat has some really sharp teeth. There we go. Oh. Nice, nice. This one's fat though. It might be a female. I don't think so. He might pop off. Uh-oh. Nice, nice. That's a decent one. Nice, number 7. Nice. Yeah. Ooh. That could go for a wet. He's a fat, that's a female. Seems like she has eggs. Or is it a fat bass? There we go. Wow. Nice. Wow. A nice one, guys. Right after that one I just caught. Oh. There we go. That's a nice one. Nice 15, 16-incher. Oh, let's see if we get him, guys. I think I missed this fish. Boom. Not a nice fat fish. There he goes. Nice. I would have put money this was a bluegill. Nice. Oh. Now I got him. What a nice one here. Nice. There's another one off that bush. I'm telling you guys, you cast, if you caught one, again, it sounds like common sense, but it seems like they're paired up in like 2 to 3s. I did miss one just before this one too. There we go. Nice. There's a nice keeper there. I had a couple hits in there. I don't know if they're all bass or they're bluegill or it was him the whole time. I don't know. All right, guys, that is it for today. What a great day it was, honestly. Because this, like, I kind of had a hard time last year because there was a fish kill in the summer of 2024. So 25 was kind of a weird year. This year so far, it's showing promise. These 3 days were pretty good, but today was a very good day. Really good day. Fishing about a foot to 10 foot off the shore. Maybe 10 foot, honestly. More like 7, 6 foot, like 6, 8 foot max. But really good days. Nice sized bass. A pike broke me off, which kind of sucks. I really want to catch one, but can't complain about these days. It's really good day on the kayak at the home lake. Just nice having a lake that, you know, a couple minutes away from your house to catch a nice bass or fish or whatever. But use a finesse jigs, guys. That's, again, I say that every bass fishing video or walleye fishing or pike fishing video. I always say finesse fishing. That's why I always do. I always do good on it. But really good days, good sized fish. Just I had a blast. Really good day. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Later, guys.